Trading 212 versus Tickmill review. Let's start with Trading 212. It is a UK-based broker that's great for beginners and casual investors. It's known for its commission-free stock and ETF trading, as well as simple mobile app. It's best for beginners and long-term investors who wants an easy entry into the markets. So what it offers is a commission-free stock and ETF investing. They also have fractional shares available. They also have a simple interface for mobile and web usage. And it's also regulated in the UK and EU. It also now has zero commission on stocks and ETFs. And they also have an intuitive app design. Tickmill, on the other hand, is a Forex and CFD broker built for professional and high-frequency traders. It's known for its very low spreads and fast order execution. They have the Forex, CFD, and commodity traders who need low fees and high execution speed, and it's best for those people. So what it offers is spreads from zero point 0.0 pips or Pro and VIP accounts. They also have MT4 and MT5 platform support. They also have a high leverage depending on the regulation, and it's regulated in multiple jurisdictions. So it also has some ultra low spreads, it has fast execution times, and they support algorithmic and copy trading. So in conclusion, choose Trading 212 if you want a simple, commission-free platform for stocks and ETFs. And choose Tickmill if you're a Forex or CFD trader who prioritizes low spreads and execution speed.